okay, now you have retrieve patent. How to read a patent? Patent, that is a techno-legal document. So we have dedicated 3 videos on it in week 3 along with a separate video session on kind codes and terminologies which are used in a patent document. So next we shared with you IP identification tool, and here we have given you the total path, what we can say, right from idea till that invention disclosure and then to invention commercialization. And also we have given you idea about how you can think of technology mapping for planning your project activity. So after retrieving this patent document, that reading patent, analyzing it, and then what we can say that you have to plan that activity so that you can do successful commercialization. These tools we have discussed in week 4.